Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete YouTube channel permanently. First of all, you can open the YouTube app. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply first now tap on switch account at the top left side of the screen. And now you can just simply select the account that you want to delete. I can select this account. After selecting the account, you can now tap on Google account here, tap on it, and now you can just simply go to the option that is data and privacy. And after this, you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you can see the option that is delete a Google service. Tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading, you can just simply delete your YouTube channel here. Tap on now delete, and this is the way you can delete YouTube channel permanently. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.